The Colorado Session Laws are an annual publication listing newly passed bills in chronological order. Our Session Laws database allows users to search historical session laws from 1861 to 1997, which can be useful for researching statutory history. Here's how to use the database. You'll need to start with a statute. The notes at the bottom of a statute indicate its history. Here, for example, we see that Section 2 of the statute was amended in the 1976 Session Laws on page 314. Once you have a year and a page number, visit the library's homepage. You'll find a link to the Session Laws database as the first entry under the column titled Digital Collections. There are a few ways to search the database. We already have a year and a page number, which is probably the easiest way to search the database. Just select the year from the drop-down menu and enter the page number here. Hitting search will pull up a page with some information about the relevant bill, including the title. You can open this document up and inspect it as a PDF. Remember that we were looking for page 314 of the bill. Running a search like this will always pull up the first page of the bill, so we'll need to either scroll down to page 314 or run a search for page 314 using this magnifying glass. And here's the statutory amendment we're looking for. Keep in mind that the page number up here refers to the pages of the PDF, not the session laws. So although we're on page 1 of the PDF, we're on page 294 of the session laws. So that's the easiest way to search the session laws, with a year and a page number, but going back to the search page, you'll see some other options worth exploring. You can search all session laws for a particular phrase, for example, assault, and you could choose to limit this key phrase to search for all years or for a particular year. You can find more recent session laws on the Colorado Legislators webpage, link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at lawref@colorado.edu.